Have you ever dreamed of owning a private country retreat where you can wake up to peaceful water views, enjoy over 12 acres of land, and escape the noise of city life? If so, today's property tour might be exactly what you're looking for. Welcome to 58 Thunderbird Road in Pleasant Mount, Pennsylvania. Priced at approximately $535,000, this remarkable property combines privacy, comfort, recreation, and investment potential into one unique package. Opportunities like this don't come along every day, especially when they include significant acreage and stunning waterfront scenery. As you approach the property, you'll immediately notice the sense of space and freedom. Unlike crowded suburban neighborhoods where homes are built only a few feet apart, this property offers room to breathe. Sitting on approximately 12.15 acres, the residence provides a level of privacy that many homebuyers are actively seeking today. One of the first features that makes this property stand out is its incredible view overlooking a beautiful 17-acre pond. Water views have always been among the most desirable features in real estate. Whether it's a lake, river, or pond, buyers consistently place a premium on properties that offer scenic waterfront surroundings. Imagine starting your morning with a cup of coffee while watching the sunrise reflect across the calm water. Picture spending evenings on the deck as the sun sets over the pond, creating a peaceful atmosphere that's difficult to find in more developed areas. The home itself was built in 2002 and offers a spacious layout designed for comfortable country living. With 3 to 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, there's plenty of room for family members, guests, or even a dedicated home office. Stepping inside, you'll find a welcoming living room that serves as one of the home's main gathering spaces. The beautiful stone fireplace immediately captures attention and adds warmth and character to the room. During Pennsylvania winters, this fireplace becomes more than just a design feature, it becomes the heart of the home. The dining room provides a dedicated space for family meals and holiday gatherings. Large dining areas are becoming increasingly valuable as homeowners place greater importance on entertaining and spending quality time together. Nearby, the kitchen is designed for both practicality and convenience. The integrated laundry area helps maximize efficiency and makes everyday household tasks easier to manage. Another major highlight is the finished family room. This additional living space creates endless possibilities for future owners. It could be transformed into a media room, game room, fitness area, guest suite, children's playroom, or even a private workspace for remote professionals. As remote work continues to expand across the United States, buyers are increasingly looking for homes that offer flexible interior spaces. This property provides exactly that kind of versatility. Moving outdoors, you'll discover some of the property's most appealing features. The screened porch offers the perfect place to relax and enjoy the surrounding landscape. Whether you're reading a book, enjoying morning coffee, or spending time with family, this space allows you to appreciate nature while remaining protected from insects. The newer deck expands the outdoor living area even further. Imagine hosting summer barbecues, family celebrations, or weekend gatherings while overlooking your own private countryside retreat. The combination of the deck, porch, acreage, and pond views creates an outdoor lifestyle that many homeowners spend years searching for. Parking is another practical advantage of this property. The attached 2-car garage provides secure storage for vehicles and equipment, while additional parking spaces allow room for visitors, trailers, recreational vehicles, boats, or outdoor gear. In total, the property accommodates up to 6 vehicles, which is especially valuable for buyers who enjoy outdoor recreation or frequently host guests. Recent improvements include an updated roof and central air conditioning system. These upgrades can help reduce maintenance concerns and improve overall comfort for future owners. Now let's talk about one of the biggest selling points of this property, its recreational value. The listing describes the home as a perfect sportsman's retreat, and it's easy to see why. The surrounding area offers year-round outdoor activities. Depending on the season, residents can enjoy fishing, hiking, boating, wildlife observation, hunting opportunities, photography, camping, and countless other outdoor adventures. Properties that provide direct access to nature often maintain strong demand because they appeal to a broad range of buyers. Some people purchase these homes as primary residences, while others use them as vacation properties or weekend escapes. From an investment perspective, this flexibility can be extremely valuable. Large acreage properties have become increasingly popular in recent years. Many buyers are moving away from densely populated areas and searching for homes that offer privacy, land ownership, and a closer connection to nature. As available land becomes more limited, properties with substantial acreage often become more difficult to replace. At approximately $157 per square foot, this home presents an interesting value proposition when compared to many residential markets throughout the Northeast. When evaluating the property, it's important to remember that buyers are not simply purchasing a house. They are also acquiring over 12 acres of land, scenic pond views, recreational opportunities, privacy, and a unique lifestyle experience. These factors can contribute significantly to long-term value. For families, the property offers room to grow. For retirees, it provides peace and tranquility. For investors, it offers uniqueness and scarcity. For outdoor enthusiasts, it creates a personal recreational retreat. And for anyone seeking an escape from crowded city living, it provides a lifestyle centered around space, nature, and freedom. Imagine ending each day sitting on your deck overlooking a 17-acre pond. Imagine gathering around the stone fireplace during the winter months. Imagine having over 12 acres of land where you can create your own private sanctuary. That's the opportunity being offered at 58 Thunderbird Road in Pleasant Mount, Pennsylvania. Properties that combine acreage, water views, modern amenities, recreational opportunities, and strong privacy are becoming increasingly difficult to find. Would you invest $535,000 in this private Pennsylvania retreat? Let us know in the comments what feature stands out most to you: the 12 acres of land, the 17-acre pond view, the stone fireplace, or the incredible recreational opportunities. And if you enjoy discovering unique real estate opportunities across America, be sure to subscribe for more property tours, investment insights, and hidden real estate gems. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next property tour.